Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Micromax sub-brand U Televentures has come back with a new smartphone, that's the U Ace, and that gets launched today in India with the price of rupees 5,999, and it comes with a 5.45-inch HD plus display and the MediaTek MT6739 chipset, and there's a 13MP rear camera, 5MP front camera and a 4000 mAh battery. And this phone comes with a glossy back. It's a plastic back which is a removable panel and not a fixed one, and you can also remove the battery from the back of the phone. And the first thing that you see was the device, and then after that this is the 4000 mAh removable battery that comes out of the phone first, and then this is the micro USB cable that you get, and finally there's this travel adapter that comes with a 5V 1.5A output, and that is the best that you get as the charging speed for this U is. And these are the different accessories. Apart from that, now let's get back to the phone, which is the main thing here. So that is the glossy back, which has a lot of fingerprints already, and that is the reason for that is that it's a fingerprint magnet. It's a plastic glossy back, and you can expect more than that in this price range. And towards the bottom is that speaker grill, and on the front this is the 18:9 aspect ratio display. On the top is that 5MP camera, the earpiece grill and the LED flashlight, and towards the bottom there are no navigation buttons out of the display. They are a part of the display, so that chin towards the bottom is quite thick. Even the thickness of the phone is quite big, and the thickness is thanks to that 4000 mAh battery. Now towards the bottom of the phone, what you find is that microphone as well as the micro USB port. On the left there's nothing, and on the top there's the 3.5mm headset jack. On the right are the volume rocker buttons and the power button. Now this is the interface. It's the stock Android, thankfully, that comes with no bloatware, and that's a good thing about the smartphone. And towards the back is that removable back cover that houses the battery and the SIM slots just below it. So this is the back, which is glossy, which doesn't look bad at all, but it is a fingerprint magnet, so you'll have to keep cleaning it from time to time. And on the back is this fingerprint sensor as well as the camera with the LED flash. And upon removing the back cover, what you see are these things. Firstly, that's the 4000 mAh battery with the U branding, and then the fingerprint sensor, and just above that are the slots for the SIM cards and the microSD card. So there's that dedicated microSD card slot given in this phone. Now in the Antutu benchmark test, we can quickly check out the specs. The phone comes with that MediaTek MT6739 chipset, and also apart from that there is that 720x1440 pixels of screen resolution, and this is the 2GB plus 16GB variant. We are told that there will be a 3 plus 32GB combination later on, but for now this is the only one. And with the benchmark, it's a score of about 46,000 that this phone gets. Not huge, but then for the price it's quite acceptable. Getting into the camera application, this phone comes with that 13MP camera on the back, and there's a very simple and easy to use camera interface, but on the other side that is what might be disappointing because you can't do a lot with this camera app. There's that mode, picture and video, and then there are filters, and there's that toggle for the flash and HDR and for the front facing camera. On the back is the 30MP camera with the LED flashlight. So one of the best things about this phone might be its battery itself. There's that 4000 mAh battery which can easily last for a day if you are not a heavy user, and the only disappointment again might be that it doesn't have any fast charge support, but then having a good battery life, you won't always have to worry about the charging of the device. So that is it about the Micromax U Ace smartphone, which is launched at 6,000 rupees in India, and for overall feel and look, it does feel good enough, and even with the spec list, except for that chipset, it doesn't look bad at all. So this was all about the U Ace smartphone. I hope you like this video, and if you have any other questions, do let me know. Subscribe to Gizmo Times, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.